Oh,
Riley.
it's a whale of a time. Let's check these out, Riley.
This way.
Hello. Cute dog. Look at the teepees.
Wow!
Cool. Go in there. Get in there. Come on. Up. Yeah.
Look at Mama.
There's a long one.
What?
More. Small one that's starting to be built. How do you get in this one? Pretty cool, huh? Oh, they put a fire pit in this one. I think that'd be a little dangerous, but go ahead in. Go in.
Where's the fire?
Where's the fire? Nobody started it. Oh. Oh. Hey, hon. This is one of those trees that I always talk about with the barrel. Pretty cool.
But I think it had more help than just
Yeah.
humans.
All those trees are,
Okay.
it's just from the wind and... Hey, where you going? Alright, I pause it here. We're gonna go see the animals. Here's a bullfrog. He's gone. Alright, let's go see the rest of the animals. I almost had them.
Hi.
Hi. The barn's open. That means there's probably animals in there. We'll go see the chickens first.
Put a mask on.
Well, he doesn't have to. I don't have any money. Sheep? Yeah, we used to go. Oh, there's another of those. Those are cool. Oh, my camera is really blurry. But yeah, we used to go in there and have little sing-alongs when we were kids. They'd give us treats and try and keep us calm. Yeah, and I think it's Heritage Day or something. But they have bands right here and stuff.
Look at the chicken.
Oh, they don't have the feed thing anymore. I sorry, chickens. We don't got no feed.
Look at you. Oh, you're definitely the boss.
You can't go in there.
Riley and Marie.
Hey,
Let's go see some other chickens.
so look at the chickens. Hi, chickens. Don't have any food for you guys.
Riley.
I used to have peacocks in this one, and then sometimes the peacock would just walk around.
Come on, let's see more chickens.
Hi, chickens. You guys laying eggs? Yeah, they got eggs there. They're sitting on eggs. Look at all the little roosting holes.
Oh, she's actually pooping her leg.
Yeah, is it coming out? Let's get.
That's why her butt's going up and down.
Let's see. Are you pooping on an egg? Naked little baby chicken? Oh yeah, you are.
Easy, baby.
Yeah, they used to have peacocks walking around. And
There's another one doing it too. That's what the sound is.
look at him. He's cool. He's got those little fluffy feet. Sorry guys, there's no food thing. There used to be a food thing out here. You gonna bite me? You gonna bite me?
Alrighty.
Oh, you will.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Probably don't want people feeding them because. Yeah, now they're all gonna come out because we're over here. Yeah, he used to, you know, put a quarter in and get the food.
Okay. You see more animals?
Chicken coops.